Mark's journey to digital wealth is a testament to perseverance and innovation. Initially overwhelmed by financial pressures, he explored various side hustles, but found them unsustainable. The breakthrough came when he discovered passive income strategies. By launching a faceless YouTube channel, creating an online course, and starting a blog, he transformed his knowledge into a steady income stream. With dedication and smart reinvestment, he turned his initial earnings into $5,000 a month, achieving the financial freedom he once dreamed of. Mark's journey to digital wealth transformed his life from a constant struggle to one of freedom and fulfillment. Initially overwhelmed by traditional side hustles, he discovered the power of passive income. By creating a faceless YouTube channel focused on digital finance, he leveraged AI and freelancers to streamline content creation. His automated online course and engaging blog further diversified his income. Through persistence and strategic reinvestment, Mark achieved financial independence, proving that with the right approach, anyone can turn their dreams into reality.